Hi everyone, Jesse Vanslyke here with CIR Realty in Brooks, Alberta, doing another market update video, monthly market update for the month of June 2026. So hope everyone's enjoying their summer so far. We've had some interesting weather, bit of rain, hail. Hopefully everyone's doing well. And we're getting some of that nice summer heat coming now. So how's the market doing? Well, for the month of June, we had a great month with residential real estate. Sales were up 7% for the month of June 2026 compared to June 2025. So we're seeing a little bit more activity in the marketplace. That's great. If you're thinking about selling your home, there is activity. Year to date, we did start off the year a bit slower. So year to date, total number of sales is down year over year. We're down about 20%. But we're starting to build that momentum, as we can see. So more buyers, more things happening, more listings coming into the marketplace, which is great for both buyers and sellers. That being said, though, there has been some new listings, but year to date, we're still down on listings compared to last year, believe it or not. I was a bit surprised by that myself. Listings year to date are down 8.7%, almost 9%. And new listings in the month of June was actually quite a bit lower than last year, a decline of 28%. So yeah, that's a little bit surprising. I didn't expect that. Some of the homes are sitting, those in the higher price ranges. So even though the number of listings coming on is lower, our inventory has built up a little bit. Currently, the active inventory at the end of June was 50 listings, which gives us 3.33 months of supply for residential real estate. So at 3.3 months, we're now entering that balanced market. I talked about that on previous videos, what balanced buyer's market, seller's market. So balanced market, meaning that it's not really favoring buyers or sellers. So that means that if you're putting your home for sale, it needs to be priced appropriately, show well, and some great marketing. So you need an experienced realtor to help you with that, which I'm happy to do, obviously. And what's happening with pricing? Well, the detached average price in Brooks right now, 369,115, which is basically flat. That's a decline of 0.9%. So not a huge difference. And in a small market like Brooks, average price can fluctuate very easily. So it's not a great guide of how the market's doing, but people always wonder what's happening. So I want to give that information that people want. Year over year, though, not year over year, sorry, year to date, the price is up. Detached average price is up 4%. So the market's still moving upwards. Low inventory, not a lot of choices for buyers. That's pushing the market up a little bit on pricing. And where did those sales happen? What price ranges are the most active? Well, the most active in Brooks was between 200,000 up to 500,000. Over 500,000, it has been much quieter. That seems to be the limit where the activity, just not as many buyers looking in that price range right now. So if you're in that higher price range, it's not a rule, but there's a good chance that your listing may be sitting a little bit longer than some of the lower priced homes, which is normal in any case. You know, we think of real estate like a pyramid, right? So as we go up that pyramid, there's just fewer and fewer people that can afford those higher priced properties. I hope you find this information valuable. Share it with people. And, you know, I thank you for any views that I receive on YouTube and other places. So thank you so much for your support and have a great day, everyone.